If you're seeing the OneDrive pop-up on Windows 10 and you want to turn it off, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to disable those OneDrive notifications, and I'll also show you an optional step to stop OneDrive from starting up with your computer. This is a super useful fix if you want a cleaner desktop, fewer interruptions, and a more focused Windows experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Windows tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look down near the clock in the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the OneDrive cloud icon there. Click that OneDrive icon to open the OneDrive menu. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small up arrow to show hidden icons. Once the OneDrive menu is open, click the gear icon. This is where all of the OneDrive options are stored. From the menu, click Settings. That will open the main OneDrive Settings window. Inside Settings, look for the Notification section and open it. This is the area where OneDrive controls all of the alerts and pop-ups it shows you in Windows 10. Now you'll want to turn off the available notification options. Look for anything that starts with Notify Me. For example, you may see options like Notify Me when syncing pauses, Notify Me about shared files, or Notify Me about memories and tips. Turn those off one by one so OneDrive stops sending those pop-up messages. This step alone usually removes most of the annoying OneDrive notifications, so if that was your main issue, you may already be done. But if you also want to stop OneDrive from launching every time your computer starts, there's one more optional step you can do. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If Task Manager opens in compact mode, click More Details so you can see all the tabs. At the top, click the Startup tab. This tab shows all the apps that launch automatically when Windows starts. Find Microsoft OneDrive in the list. Once you see it, right-click it and choose Disable. That will stop OneDrive from starting automatically with Windows, which can also help prevent pop-ups from appearing right after login. If you're setting up OneDrive for the first time, you may also see setup screens asking you to choose your OneDrive folder location. If that happens, just follow the prompts and click Next through the setup. At the end, you may see an Open My OneDrive folder button. You can click that if you want to finish setup, or close the window if you're only here to reduce notifications. And that's it. You've now disabled OneDrive pop-ups on Windows 10, and if you wanted, you also stopped OneDrive from launching at startup. That should make your computer feel a lot less cluttered and a lot less distracting. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy Windows tips, and leave a comment if you want help with any other annoying Windows settings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.